The Lepro LED lights. Red, green, blue, lots of colors. Here's a quick review on how it works. So it comes on these cool rolls. High quality 3M backing tape. Long rolls. High quality LED. It's got 12 volt red, green, blue connections. It's super easy to extend. Plugs in. Comes with its own power supply. 12 volt, 3 amp. Hope it doesn't need all 3 amps. Then it goes to a little converter, which is very easy to mount to the wall with tiny little screws. It's very lightweight, so it can go anywhere. You can hold the 2 strands that it comes with. Super easy to stick onto the wall. You just pull them back, peel them, and they stick. Does a good job with corners. It's got these nice pieces that come to help secure it so it doesn't fall off. And it was able to make it all the way around the room. So later tonight, when it's dark, we'll do the demo with the lights. It's got a great remote. A lot of different variations in color. A lot of programmability. It's another small, lightweight. Wait till you see what this thing can do. And here's all the tools that you'll need. Soldering iron here is optional. Some solder in case you need to extend your strands. Small screwdriver to screw in the little attachments for the corners. And a pair of scissors in case you need to cut it. Installation is a breeze, and light tools can do what you need. And like I said, the soldering iron is optional. Some little tacks for the corners, hold tight. And this is where the first strip ran out. So soldered it across. Connect 12 to 12, green to green, red to red, blue to blue. And then we're able to complete it the rest of the way around the room. 3, 2, 1, action. And here they are, living color. Oh, nice. Ooh. Ooh. Very cool. Really well. Okay, explain it.
You just have different colors and then you have different settings that you can do, and you can also make DIY colors. And then you just turn it off, turn it on, and change the color, put down the brightness, bring up the brightness. When you're doing like the fades or anything like that, you can make it a super slow fade, or if you want it faster, you can make it a fast fade. Same thing with the jumps.
Oh yeah. Overall, it's a pretty solid product, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Installs fast and easy. Looks great. A lot of light. Shakalaka, 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 boom.